Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to manage your activity details in the Strava app and control what information is visible to others. If you want to keep some data private while sharing your workouts, first, open the Strava app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the U icon on the right side. Then, take a look at the upper part of the screen and tap the settings icon. After that, scroll down and select Privacy Controls. Then, tap on Hidden Details. Here, you will see several options, including start time, pace and speed, calories, power, and heart rate. You can hide any of these details by simply turning on the toggle next to the information you want to keep private. This will ensure that only the details you are comfortable sharing will be visible to others on Strava. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.